Is your iPhone showing charging but battery percentage not increasing? Don't worry. We will provide 12 detailed solutions to ensure your iPhone can resume normal charging functionality. Fix 1. Check the power supply. If your iPhone shows charging but the battery percentage isn't increasing, check for a green battery icon with a lightning bolt or a large battery icon in the status bar. If neither appears, the iPhone might not be charging or connected to a power source. Make sure the charger is properly plugged in and the outlet is powered on. Fix 2. Clean the charging port. A dirty charging port can prevent proper charging, even if your phone shows it's charging. Clean the port if you suspect dust or debris is blocking it. Use an anti-static brush or a toothpick to gently scrape away any dirt, being careful not to apply too much pressure. Fix 3. Try a different lightning cable. If cleaning the charging port and using the lightning cable doesn't solve the issue, the problem may be with the cable itself. A damaged cable might not charge properly, so try using a different lightning cable to see if that resolves the issue. Fix 4. Turn off battery percentage. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Battery. Step 3. Find the toggle next to battery percentage and turn it off. Step 4. Wait a few minutes, then turn the toggle back on. Fix 5. Close background apps. Step 1. Double press the home button, or swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. Step 2. Swipe left or right to browse through the apps running in the background. Step 3. Swipe up on each app preview to close it. Once you've closed all the background apps, plug your iPhone in again and see if it's charging properly. Fix 6. Check battery health settings. Step 1. Open Settings Battery Health. Step 2. Check the maximum capacity and peak performance capability. Step 3. If the maximum capacity is below 80, it's recommended to visit an Apple-authorized service provider for a battery replacement. Fix 7. Drain the battery and recharge. Draining and recharging your iPhone battery can help recalibrate the battery percentage indicator. To do this, let your iPhone battery drain completely until the device shuts off, then charge it uninterrupted to 100% using a reliable power source and cable. Fix 8. Reset all settings. Step 1. Open Settings General Reset. Reset all settings. Step 2. Enter your password and confirm the action. Step 3. After the device restarts, try charging again. Fix 9. Hard restart iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold volume down and side buttons until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6 seconds or earlier, press and hold home and side buttons until the Apple logo appears. Fix 10. Update iPhone. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on General. Step 2. Select Software Update. Step 3. Tap Download and install to update your iOS to the latest version. Fix 11. Use iOS system recovery without data loss. If the problem persists, don't worry. iOS system recovery can help you out of this tricky situation. Step 1. Click the download button below to get the tool. Once the download is complete, open the program and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to your computer and trust the connection. Then, click Start and follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into recovery mode. Step 3. Next, choose Standard Mode and click Confirm to proceed. The tool will begin downloading the necessary iOS firmware. Step 4. After the download is complete, click Repair to start the repair process. The tool will fix your device and resolve the issue of the iPhone showing charging but the battery percentage not increasing. Fix 12. Contact Apple support. If the charging issue persists despite trying all the solutions above, contact Apple support for assistance. They can help diagnose if there's a more serious problem. Alternatively, you can take your iPhone to an authorized service center for a professional inspection.